What is something worse than a sudden and forceful sneeze with a mouthful of food? Ask any woman. I wouldn't want to spoil my appetite with a side of projectile food as an appetizer. When you are eating and a rice goes the wrong way and it ends in your nose. Having a stroke while wearing a nun costume during an autoerotic asphyxiation session at a geriatric institute and living to tell about it. I would say, choking on the food when trying to sneeze. Suddenly sharting extremely loudly during someone's presentation and all the bathrooms are occupied to make it worse. Having violent diarrhea on a 7-hour flight while wearing leather pants. I have a fairly recent one. Being mid-poop and hearing people shouting at the top of their lungs due to an emergency requiring immediate attention. Sneezing with an ass full of cum. Inhaling a crumb.